Okay, so if you've ever looked at the futures trading interface and immediately felt like you needed a finance degree just to understand what you were looking at, this video is for you. Because I remember the first time I opened the futures platform, there were numbers everywhere: green candles, red candles, leverage selectors, long and short position, liquidation price, mark price, funding rate, and I closed the tab within 4 minutes because I had absolutely no idea where to start. Here's the thing. Futures trading isn't actually complicated once someone walks you through it in plain language. The concepts are straightforward, the risk is real, but understanding how it works is something every serious crypto investor should have in their toolkit, even if you never place a single trade. Today I'm doing a full walkthrough of how to trade futures, step by step to placing a live order. Let's get into it. My name is Yang and I cover crypto, personal finance, and investing in this channel. If you want clear, practical financial education with zero fluff, please subscribe and hit the like button below. Let's build this from the ground up. Okay, I'm going to walk through a complete futures trade from start to finish, every click, every decision, every consideration, so that by the end of this section, you understand exactly what you'd be doing if you opened a position on this platform yourself. By the way, I will trade futures on the Tovest platform. Most crypto exchanges give you one or two things. Buy crypto, maybe trade it. Tovest is built differently. And before we go any further, please note. With that said, let's walk through this step by step. From your Tovest dashboard, click on Futures in the trading menu. This takes you to the main futures exchange interface. First thing you notice, this is a full professional trading interface. Candlestick chart, order book, recent trades, position panel at the bottom. It looks like a lot at first, but let me break it down for you. On the left side or top of the interface, you'll see the pairs list. These are the assets available for futures trading on Tovest. There are many pairs here. I'm going to use BTC USDT as our example because it's the highest liquidity pair on virtually every futures exchange. For your first futures trade, always start with a high liquidity pair. Don't learn the mechanics on a low cap token. Before placing any orders, spend time with the chart. What time frame are you trading? For a short-term trade, use 15-minute or 1-hour chart. For swing position, use the 4-hour or the daily chart. And here are the key things to observe though. Is price trending up, down, or ranging sideways? Where are recent support and resistance levels? Is there a clear reason to be long or short right now? Well, I'm not going to tell you what the chart means right now, okay? Because by the time you're watching this, the market will be different. What I'm showing you is how to look at it, not what to see. Okay, this is where the trade actually happens. Let me walk through each component. For the order type, market order means execute immediately at current price. For limit order, this executes only at your specified price or better. For beginners, I suggest limit orders give you more control over your entry price. Okay. Long means you profit if price goes up. Short, you profit if price goes down. Futures is unique, because you can profit in either direction. For the position size, how much of your balance you're allocating to this trade. And I suggest never put your entire balance into one position. Let's try to put 50%. And for the leverage, this is the multiplier on your position. 5x means your $100 controls $500 in position size. 10x or $100 controls $1,000 in position size. Higher leverage, higher risk of liquidation. If you're learning, stay at 3x to 5x maximum. The goal right now is to understand the mechanics without blowing your account on your first trade. Well, for this demonstration, I'm setting leverage at 25x. And before you place any futures trade, set up a stop loss. Always, don't forget that. Set your stop loss before worrying about your profit target. Risk management comes first in futures trading, every single time. Okay, the liquidation price, this is the most important number in futures trading. The liquidation price is the price at which the exchange will automatically close your position because your margin has been consumed. Lower leverage gives your trade more room to breathe. That's why it matters for risk management. Let me show you what a completed order looks like. This is what an open futures position looks like in real time. Enter price, the current mark price, unrealized P&L, liquidation price. You can monitor all of this live and close the position manually whenever you choose. Or let your stop loss or take profit trigger it automatically. I'll show you some features of this platform you might be interested. First is the spot trading on Tovest. Covers US stocks, ETFs, and crypto at zero commission. For anyone building a long-term portfolio, dollar cost averaging into index funds, accumulating crypto positions, or investing in individual US stocks, the zero commission structure means more of your capital stays invested on every single trade. This one genuinely caught me off guard. Pre-IPO positions, I know you guys have heard it already. The ability to take a stake in companies before they list on public markets. This is access that has historically belonged to venture capital firms, institutional funds, and accredited investors. The retail investor has always entered at the IPO price after the early wealth creation has already happened. Tovest integrates with Polymarket, letting you take positions on real-world event outcomes. This is outcome-based speculation on binary events, not traditional investing. But here's why I think it belongs on a personal finance channel. Prediction markets consistently produce more accurate probability estimates than expert forecasts because participants have real financial skin in the game. Tovest's signal flow system is built on research methodologies from top global financial and hedge fund institutions. And the performance data is fully transparent. You can see win rates, risk-reward ratios, and historical accuracy on every signal strategy. For people not ready to trade actively, Tovest's earn products let idle capital generate returns while you're building your knowledge. And the Reward Hub runs active campaigns with the USDT cashback, airdrops, and referral rewards for bringing real users onto the platform. As always, read the terms on any product earning before committing capital. You should also understand the lockup period. You should never put money into something you don't fully understand. Look at this, a $4 profit in just 30 minutes is far better than getting liquidated. Small, consistent gains add up over time, while protecting your capital keeps you in the game. Here's the honest truth about futures trading. It is not a get-rich-quick tool, it is not passive income, it is an active, high-risk instrument that rewards discipline, patience, and risk management, and punishes impulsiveness faster than almost any other financial product. But understanding how it works, the mechanics, the terminology, the risk structure is part of being a complete financially literate investor in 2026. You don't have to trade futures to benefit from knowing exactly how leverage, liquidation, and perpetual contracts function. That knowledge makes you a better investor across every other asset class too. Tovest gives you the full ecosystem to explore this, regulated, compliant, with tools that go far beyond futures alone. The link to the platform is in the description below if you want to explore it yourself. Do your own research, read the risk warning, and always only put in what you can afford to lose. If this walkthrough helped you understand futures trading more clearly than anything you've watched before, please hit the like button below. It genuinely helps this content reach people who need it. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly content on crypto, investing, and personal finance, and drop a comment below. Which type of futures process was most confusing before watching this? And does it make sense now? I read every single comment. See you next time. Bye!